In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos with Nano Banana. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside Google Gemini so you can go from idea to an AI-generated video quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google Gemini. Once you're on the main page, look for the Tools section. This is where Gemini groups its creative utilities. Click Tools to open the available options and then choose Create Video. Keep in mind this feature is part of an upgraded plan. If you don't see it or you're prompted about access, you'll need to upgrade your plan before continuing. That simply unlocks the video generation capability so you can use Nano Banana for higher quality results. When the video workspace opens, you'll see a mode selector. It typically defaults to fast, which is optimized for speed and quick drafts. Click the fast label and switch it to Pro. Selecting Pro prioritizes quality and coherence, which is especially helpful for polished clips, more complex scenes, or brand-ready content. It may take a bit longer to render, but the output is usually worth the wait. Next, look for the plus icon in the media area. Click the plus, then choose Upload Files. This is where you can add any assets you want the model to incorporate, things like product photos, logos, background music, or reference clips. Aim for clear, high-resolution images and well-recorded audio. If your assets are organized and named clearly on your computer, it'll be easier to reference them in your prompt. Now shift to the prompt box. This is your creative brief to Nano Banana. Type a clear, specific prompt that explains what you want to see and hear. Mention the purpose of the video, the tone, the pacing, and any visual cues. If you uploaded assets, describe how they should be used. For example, which image should appear first, when the logo should show, or where the music should fade in. You can include details like aspect ratio, approximate duration, and stylistic references to guide the output. The more precise your instructions, the closer the first result will be to your vision. When you're ready, click Generate. Gemini will process your files and prompt, then produce a video using Nano Banana. Rendering time varies with complexity and the Pro setting, so give it a moment. Once it's done, you'll see your video ready to preview. That's the complete flow. Open Gemini, go to Tools, choose Create Video, switch from Fast to Pro, add your assets via the plus icon and upload files, write a focus prompt, and click Generate to create your video.